to Luxury Motorhomes. Today we've got an incredible, in-depth review for you that'll take you inside the most exciting luxury RV motorhomes on the planet as of 2026. We're comparing the top 5 contenders in the luxury RV world: Ferrari, Nissan, Lamborghini, Audi, and Mercedes. That's right, these aren't just ordinary motorhomes. These are rolling palaces, built for those who want the ultimate in comfort, performance, and style on the open road. We'll cover exterior design, interior features including bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen, plus performance and pricing. And at the end, I'll reveal which one of these 5 is the best overall luxury motorhome based on performance and value. Let's start at the beginning. Picture pulling up into your favorite campground or luxury RV resort and everyone turning to look. That's what these motorhomes deliver from the moment you arrive. First up, let's talk about how each one looks on the outside, what kind of presence it has, and what kind of details set it apart. The Ferrari luxury motorhome is styled with that unmistakable design influence that Ferrari always brings. Sleek lines, aerodynamically inspired curves, and high-gloss finishes make it look fast even when it's parked. Ferrari chose lightweight composite materials for the body that help with fuel efficiency without sacrificing strength. It's long and low, almost like a high-end sport yacht on wheels. The paint options include some truly show-stopping colors that are inspired by their legendary supercars. This motorhome doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. In comparison, the Nissan luxury motorhome takes a more rugged yet refined approach. Nissan is known for reliability, and that extends here. The exterior is bold, with muscular wheel arches, a taller profile, and heavy-duty tires meant for both highways and light off-grid exploring. It still looks premium, with chrome accents, LED lighting, and a smartly integrated awning that extends when parked. This one feels ready for adventure without looking out of place in an upscale resort. Then we have the Lamborghini luxury RV. Yes, Lamborghini. Think aggressive and dramatic. The body is sharp, almost like something out of a sci-fi movie. Lamborghini's designers kept their signature Y-shaped lines and intense angles, making it look like it could leap forward at any moment. The panels are carbon fiber reinforced, which not only looks exotic but also keeps the weight down. It's more compact than the Ferrari or Nissan rigs, but every inch of the exterior is sculpted for visual impact. Next up is the Audi luxury motorhome, a brand that's been making waves with innovative design and luxury focus. The Audi exterior has a modern, minimalist look with smooth surfaces and concealed technology. The windows are panoramic, offering stunning views from inside, and there's a smart roof that can open up for outdoor sky viewing. The body is built for maximum insulation and noise reduction, giving it a quiet, serene feel even on the move. It doesn't scream for attention, but it gets respect from everyone who sees it. Finally, the Mercedes luxury RV takes classic luxury and blends it with cutting-edge engineering. The exterior has graceful curves, a long wheelbase, and that signature Mercedes front grille that signals prestige. The build quality is exceptional, with precision-engineered panels and premium paints that resist fading and scratching. This one looks refined and poised, like a luxury tour bus for the elite. Now that you've got a mental picture of how these beasts look, let's step inside and explore what life is like within them. We'll talk about living spaces, the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen, because in a luxury RV, these spaces matter just as much as performance. Walking into the Ferrari luxury motorhome feels like stepping into a private suite at a 5-star hotel. The flooring is premium hardwood, with brushed metal accents and ambient lighting that you can adjust to any mood. There's a spacious living area with ultra-comfortable seating that converts into extra sleeping space if needed. Ferrari went all out with materials here. Think fine leather, carbon fiber trim, and high-end fabrics you'd expect in a supercar showroom. The dining area is elegant, with a table that expands electronically for meals or work. The bedroom in the Ferrari motorhome is something else. It features a king-size bed with temperature-controlled memory foam mattress, power-operated blackout shades, and panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views. There's also integrated climate control zones, so you and a partner can choose different temperatures if you like. Storage is abundant but cleverly built into walls and beneath the bed so nothing feels cluttered. And of course, there's premium soundproofing so your rest is peaceful. The bathroom in the Ferrari RV is more like a spa. There's a full shower with adjustable jets, a rainfall showerhead, and quality tile work. The sink and vanity area use polished metal fixtures and fine stone countertops. There's even a heated floor option and anti-fog mirrors. The toilet itself uses an advanced waste system so you don't have to deal with odors or frequent emptying. In the kitchen, Ferrari didn't hold back either. You get top-of-the-line appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. The counter space is generous, the cabinetry is custom crafted, and the lighting makes it feel like a professional chef's workspace. Whether you're prepping a snack or a full meal, this kitchen stands up to anything you'd find in a luxury condo. Moving to the Nissan Luxury Motorhome, the interior vibe is more rugged luxury. Think premium comfort meets practical design. The living area is spacious with plush seating that's perfect for lounging after a day of travel. The materials are durable but still feel upscale, with finishes that are easy to clean and maintain. There's a smart entertainment system with large screens and surround sound. The bedroom on the Nissan model is cozy yet comfortable, featuring a queen-size mattress with supportive cushioning and plenty of natural light from well-placed windows. You'll find good storage, a wardrobe area, and reading lights for nighttime. The emphasis here is comfort and functionality without overwhelming flashiness. The Nissan bathroom is efficient and well-designed. It features a shower with solid water pressure, a modern vanity, and quality fixtures. It may not feel as spa-like as the Ferraris, but it gets the job done with reliability and ease. The waste and water systems are designed to minimize maintenance and maximize uptime so you can spend more time enjoying your travels. The Nissan kitchen is practical and well-equipped. It includes a decent-sized refrigerator, a cooktop, microwave, and enough counter space for everyday cooking. It's not Michelin star level, but it's solid and built for RV life. The cabinetry is robust, storage is plentiful, and everything is placed with convenience in mind. Now let's slide into the Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome interior. True to the brand's personality, this interior screams performance and sophistication. The living area feels bold, with angular couches, dynamic lighting, and metal and leather accents reminiscent of Lamborghini's supercar cabins. It feels like an exclusive lounge that's ready to hit the road at any second. The bedroom is compact but intelligently designed. It has a premium mattress, sleek storage solutions, and a futuristic design that feels modern and cutting-edge. The lighting system here deserves special mention. It's fully customizable, offering everything from subtle ambient tones to vivid accent colors. The bathroom in the Lamborghini RV is compact but high quality. The fixtures are premium, the shower has excellent water flow, and the finishes are stylish. Every surface has been thought through to reflect luxury. Space is used efficiently so you don't feel cramped, even in this more compact design. The kitchen is compact but sharply laid out. It includes a high-quality induction cooktop, a small convection oven, a slim refrigerator, and clever storage solutions. While space is at a premium, Lamborghini used every inch wisely so cooking and meal prep feel intuitive and enjoyable. Up next is the Audi Luxury Motorhome interior. Audi took a modern, open-concept approach that makes this RV feel more like a contemporary studio than a traditional motorhome. The living area is bright and airy thanks to those panoramic windows we mentioned earlier. The seating is modular, so you can rearrange it for lounging, dining, or sleeping. Materials are soft and inviting, with eco-friendly finishes that don't compromise on luxury. The bedroom area flows naturally from the living space, but can be separated with a smart partition for privacy. The bed is large and comfortable, with quality linens and climate control systems that keep you comfortable in any weather. Storage is hidden but accessible, keeping clutter out of sight. Audi's bathroom is innovative, with space-saving designs and upscale finishes. The shower is roomy with glass doors and quality jets, and there's plenty of counter space around the sink. It feels fresh and modern, like it was designed by someone who actually lives in an RV full-time. The kitchen in the Audi Motorhome is exceptional. It features full-size appliances including a refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and a stylish island workspace. The cabinetry is sleek with soft closed doors and plenty of storage. This kitchen feels like it belongs in a high-end apartment, not an RV. Lastly, the Mercedes luxury motorhome interior blends classic refinement with technologically advanced features. The living space feels warm and luxurious, with leather seating, fine wood accents, and an intuitive infotainment and control system. Mercedes paid attention to layout so the space feels gracious and well-proportioned. The bedroom is elegant and comfortable. You'll find a plush bed with quality linens, soft lighting, and excellent sound dampening so you can sleep peacefully. The wardrobe and storage spaces are generous and well organized. The bathroom in the Mercedes motorhome is classy and functional. It features a spacious shower with rainfall head, stone-top vanity, and premium fixtures. Everything feels solid and well crafted. The attention to quality here is unmistakable. The kitchen continues the theme of elegance with high-end appliances, plenty of counter space, and thoughtful design details. There's room for a full-size refrigerator, quality cooktop oven, and smart storage. The materials and finishes give it a timeless, luxurious feel. Now that we've gone through the interior and exterior of all five, let's sportutin performance ich fordere sich. Let's talk about performance, because these are motorhomes, after all. How do they drive? How do they handle long distances? What kind of technology and engineering support their performance? The Ferrari luxury motorhome is built on a performance chassis with a turbocharged engine that delivers surprising power for its size. It accelerates smoothly, handles curves confidently, and feels stable at highway speeds. The suspension system is tuned for comfort but doesn't sacrifice control. Ferrari also integrated advanced driver assist features to make long drives more enjoyable and less tiring. Fuel efficiency is decent considering its power and weight thanks to lightweight construction. The Nissan Luxury RV uses a dependable, robust engine tuned for durability and consistent performance. It's not a speed demon like the Ferrari, but it delivers strong torque for climbing hills and handling heavy loads. The ride is smooth, suspension tuned for mixed road conditions, and it feels ready for cross-country expeditions. Nissan's reputation for reliability shows here. This rig is designed to keep going no matter the miles you put on it. The Lamborghini Motorhome delivers an exhilarating driving experience for a vehicle of this class. The engine is potent, the handling is sharp, and the braking system is responsive. It feels more like driving a performance vehicle than an RV. The aerodynamic body helps with stability and efficiency, and the advanced traction systems mean you'll feel confident even on challenging roads. Fuel consumption is on the higher side, but when you're driving something this exciting, that's a trade-off many owners are happy to make. The Audi Luxury RV offers balanced performance with a focus on efficiency and comfort. Its engine delivers smooth power with great responsiveness, and the handling is surprisingly nimble for such a large vehicle. The ride quality is refined, with suspension that takes the edge off rough roads. Audi also includes smart driving aids and technology that help with parking, lane keeping, and blind spot monitoring, making it easier for drivers of all experience levels. The Mercedes luxury motorhome blends power with refinement. Its engine delivers ample torque and smooth acceleration, and the ride quality is exceptionally comfortable. Mercedes engineered this rig with long-distance travel in mind, less about sporty thrills and more about effortless cruising. Advanced safety and driver assist systems are standard, making highway miles feel relaxed and secure. Finally, let's talk numbers in terms of pricing. These are premium vehicles and their prices reflect that. The Ferrari luxury motorhome starts at around $385,000, depending on options and customization. The Nissan Luxury RV comes in around 290 minus $5,000, tumbly for $5,000, offering strong value for a high-end experience. Lamborghini's Luxury Motorhome sits at about $495,000, making it the most expensive on our list. The Audi Motorhome is roughly $325,000, and the Mercedes Luxury RV comes in around $375,000. 3. Now, after breaking down exterior, interior, performance, and pricing, it's time to rank these top 5 luxury RV motorhomes from 5 to 1 and reveal which one comes out on top overall in 2026. In 5th place, we have the Nissan Luxury Motorhome. It's strong, reliable, and versatile, but compared to the others, it doesn't have the same wow factor in performance or luxury finishes. In 4th place is the Audi Luxury RV. It brings incredible interior design and modern innovation, but when it comes to sheer prestige and performance, it just falls a little short of the top 3. In 3rd place is the Ferrari Luxury Motorhome. It's stunning, powerful, and luxurious, but at its price point and with its specialty design, usability, comfort, it's a bit more niche. In 2nd place is the Mercedes Luxury Motorhome. It delivers a near-perfect balance of comfort, performance, and timeless luxury, a fantastic choice for most discerning buyers. And the #1 luxury RV motorhome in the world right now is the Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome. With its unmatched performance, dramatic design, and premium build quality, it takes the crown as the best luxury RV motorhome of 2026, though it comes with a premium price to match. If you're looking for the ultimate statement on wheels that delivers excitement and comfort in one, this is it. Thanks for riding along with this detailed luxury motorhome review, and if you're dreaming of life on the road in one of these magnificent machines, now you know exactly what each top contender brings to the table. Safe travels and see you next time.